Airfield 2778 Tower, good evening. Continue approach runway 06, number 2, income.
Continue approach number 2, Airfield 2778. And Airfield 2778, please be advised request tow truck upon exiting the active runway due to no speed steering problem.
Airfield 2778, sir, again, sir.
Request tow truck due to no speed steering problem after exiting the runway.
Airfield 2778, roger.
Airfield 2778, thank you.
Airfield 2778, confirm no steering wheel problem.
Apron, ma'am, no speed steering problem. We will vacate by Romeo 2.
Airfield 2778, confirm possible hydraulic leak.
Apron, Airfield 2778.
Airfield 2778, roger. Airfield 2778, wind calm, runway 06 here to land.
And it's 06 to land, Airfield 2778.
Cebu 923 on November, hold short of Golf 14, contact ground 121.35, good day.
To hold short Golf 14, 12135, good day ma'am, thank you.
Airfield 2778, confirm clear to land.
Airfield 2778, affirm sir, wind calm, runway 06 here to land.
Clear to land, 6, Airfield 778, thank you.
380, Metro heading, climb 4000, go around, traffic, leading traffic on emergency.
Cebu 30, maintain heading and go around. Cebu 30.
Cebu 30, maintain runway heading, climb 4000.
Cebu 30, making a go around and maintaining a runway heading.
This is Manila Tower. Cebu 30, contact departure 124.4 day.
Departure 124.4, Cebu 30.
Field 2778, vacate runway Romeo 2, Romeo 3, Juliet, hold short off Papa.
We'll try Romeo 2, Romeo 3, Juliet, hold short Papa, Airfield 2778.
Field 2778, confirm able to vacate the runway.
Apron, Airfield 2778, but we can vacate up to Romeo 2 only.
Airfield 2778, roger, vacate the runway Romeo 2, Romeo 3, Juliet, hold short off Papa.
Negative, we'll stop our present position now, Airfield 2778. Request tow truck.
Airfield 2778, roger, standby.
Standby, Airfield 778.
Airfield 2778, please switch off your engine.
Over ready, ma'am, Airfield 2778.
Airfield 2778, say again, sir.
Our engine is already off now, ma'am, Airfield 2778, and we have tow truck now.
Airfield 2778, roger.
Thank you for the assistance, Airfield 2778.